Tired of endlessly searching Wikipedia and Google for reliable sources? Is it hard to stave off the ensuing anxiety as your due date grows closer and closer? Wish you didn't have to look at those terrible pop-up ads while researching? There's got to be a better way! Hi, I'm Henry Kathman, bringing you the academic miracle that is databases. With the help of this video, I can show you a quick overview of what constitutes a database, how it can help you with your research, and all the ways you can access databases affiliated with the David L. Rice Library, free of charge! Basically, a database is any collection of organized information. Their main function is to make it easier for users to find stored information. Databases can be anything from a list of numbers stored in your phone, Netflix's vast collection of films, or even a shopping list can be considered a database. Though when most people talk about databases, they usually refer to the online databases the library subscribes to. These databases have compiled their information in a way that can easily be searched and found by users like you. The ways in which the information is filed and found will depend on the databases, though no matter which system you use, these databases will provide a fast and effective method for finding sources that are specific to a particular topic. But what kind of information do databases store? It might depend on the database, but this information can include anything from books, articles, periodicals, official government documents, images, audio files, and any other multimedia items. Many of these databases will differently store several types of these sources, while offering you a method to search for all of these different media types, or just simply one. Some databases will even focus on multiple disciplines and can cover a wide variety of subjects, whereas others will focus on a specific subject. There are also large databases that can hold information from millions of sources, while others may be much smaller and only contain thousands of sources. Though the most common library databases are those which store and organize articles from periodicals like newspapers and academic journals. These databases may only provide you with an article citation, though many of them will also provide the full text alongside this citation. However, a majority of these databases will offer a combination of these two scenarios. These citations will usually include the publication information and an abstract of the original article. If the database only provides the citation for the source, you can use that citation to find that source through another database, a journal finder, or even through an interlibrary loan. With that info out of the way, here's how you can access these databases. Simply go to the library's homepage, click on the database link, and this will bring you to the database page, where you can look at a list of databases sorted by either alphabetical order, by source type, such as online reference sources, physical books, or newspapers, or by academic discipline, which will helpfully list out the best research options for your subject at the top. If you have a hard time finding enough reliable sources, you can also try some of the other database sets. Many times there will be additional information in the parentheses next to the database name. Once you find a database that works for you, simply click the link and be whisked away on a scholarly journey. And for the off-campus student, you can still access these lovely databases with only your USI username and password, and with the help of those at the Rice Library Reference Desk, any issue you have accessing these databases can be addressed. Even though they may seem similar, each database arms you with a plethora of ways to search for your research. Just follow the link and start your research today! For more additional information, go to the Rice Library website at usi.edu/library. Library disclaimer: just because you use an online database to find your sources is not going to guarantee you a good grade. Make sure that you use all your critical faculties and analysis skills so that you can make sure you present your arguments and ideas in as clear a way as possible, alleviating any possible fallacies or any other intellectual issues you might find within your writing.